How we doing today, guys? Nick with Complete Exteriors. Today we're out here in Purvis, Mississippi, near Hattiesburg, Mississippi, and we're installing 3 houses in one day. Now, a majority of roofing companies don't install 3 houses in 1 week, and we're doing 3 in 1 day, and I'm going to be here to document all of it. This is going to be the first one we're looking at today. I'm just going to show you all some of the things that we do, some of the installation processes that goes on, and just to show you how quick and easy that Complete Exteriors installs these roofs.
Hey, it's Zach with Complete Exteriors. We're here down in Purvis, Mississippi. I'm a field supervisor with Complete Exteriors, and I've been doing this for a little while now. I was going to kind of give you a little walkthrough of what we do on a day-to-day basis when we tear off your roof and replace your roof and put new shingles on, and make sure your overall quality of your roof is better than it was. Now that we're on the roof, we take all the shingles off of your roof and take it all the way down to the bones of the house, your decking. Whenever we take it all the way off, we make sure that your decking is intact and secure. We put new felt on, synthetic felt, our brand, Complete Exteriors. And then also in all of your valleys and all of your leak points, we put an ice and water shield to hold that water, that moisture. And you never know, down here in Mississippi, we get a snowstorm every 8 years, but you're protected.
Hey, this is Cody with Complete Exteriors out here in Purvis, Mississippi. Putting this roof on, we about got it knocked out, man. We got ice and water on there, or storm guard, sorry. And didn't really have anything too special. This was one of the easier houses. They got 1 or 2 more slopes, and then they're gonna knock out that ridge cap and get cleaned up, and we're gonna be out of here.
All right, guys, so right here, what we have here is called a catch-all system. We set this up on all the houses that we do. It's basically to ensure the least amount of damages as possible. We set it up so that we could just throw down the shingles and all the nails and everything, and it catches a majority of it all, so we can easily pick up and throw it all away. And we have our nice, obviously, our nice little branding there as well. It's really convenient to have. Not all roofing companies actually use a catch-all system. And it is one of the most convenient things roofing companies can actually use to help the cleanup process. But yeah, guys, we just wanted to do a little walkthrough of what we're doing out here in Purvis. Being able to do 3 houses in 1 day is a massive feat that Complete Exteriors is able to do, because we have some wonderful professional crews, great field supervisors, and wonderful management. And so we're able to capitalize on all of this opportunity out here in Mississippi.